Ah, y yo, y ya, porque justo es lo que yo decía que según yo era un superpoder.
Hola. Hola, Mercedes.
Hi, Ellie. Sorry, I was on mute.
¿Me escuchas en español o en inglés?
Ugh. I'm on my phone, so I don't know if it's going to translate, but whatever is easiest for you.
No, pero ¿me escuchas en inglés o en español?
Me, I'm listening. I hear you in Spanish.
Ah, ok.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Hi.
How are
I'm trying to do that translator thing on my phone, but I don't know. Hold on.
Great.
If you guys need me to, I can translate.
Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you, guys.
But who is hello, good morning. So who is the one that speaks Spanish only? Or do
Not
we
me.
everyone speaks English, no? Or am
I think Elisandro maybe wanted to translate, but
Well, I think it would be more efficient if everyone speaks English, that we just keep it in English and that we don't use additional tools to
yeah,
translate if that's not needed for anyone.
Elisandro, ¿quién es que no habla inglés?
No importa, lo que pasa es que tenemos el traductor de voz. Entonces se traduce, no sé si traduce al inglés, no, ¿verdad? Pero tú puedes traducir, ¿verdad, Ana?
Si quieres, sí.
Ah, perfecto. Bueno, podemos empezar.
I'm talking Portuguese, so.
Pero entonces hay que apagarlo, Elisandro, porque se escucha doble.
Ah, ok, ok.
All right. So that means that we can start, right? So
Yeah, let's
let
do
me
English.
see.
And if there's anything, I can translate, okay?
Perfect, perfect. Good. Well, it's great to have everyone in here. Let me see. So I think that the main thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna do some integration work, right? And then I have some questions which I need to ask. And that is more gonna be regarding the messaging flow. I don't think we necessarily need an hour, but it's good that we have the time anyway, right? But I think the main thing is here that we want to connect WhatsApp and get all the numbers and everything in terms of communication going. So, Alessandro, you told me that it wasn't really clear how to purchase the numbers yet. So I wanted to help you and assist you there. Like what is it that was blocking the purchase of the numbers?
La duda de qué es lo que te faltaba, qué tenías dudas sobre los números.
¿Cómo tener uno de Yucatán?
From Utah.
From Yucatán.
Ah, Yucatán. He wants the code area, the area code for Yucatán.
I think they don't have
All right.
a number, to be honest. Normally they have Mexico City or Guadalajara, Monterrey, but Yucatan.
But I mean, it's not really a big deal, is it? If it's not Yucatan area code, or is it really?
Well,
important?
it's not important for us, no. And I would, so we would need to acquire a mobile number, right? So we can also decide to send out SMS. So if I go in here, yeah, these mobile numbers don't have an area code anyway. So
+56 is from what region of Mexico?
sorry, come again?
56 is Mexico City.
Your mobile numbers have like country or like selectors as well, or like identification numbers as well.
Yeah.
Cool.
So the
I didn't know that.
+52
All right.
is Mexico in general, and then the following numbers will tell you like the city. So it can be either 5-5 or 5-6. That's my
Right. But so what I would recommend is that because we also want to call people from the Mexican number, right? So it would be better to just acquire a number that is in the list, and I don't think it's necessarily that important that it's not specifically from that area.
Well, I think ultimately is the decision of the ACD team, but in my opinion, 5-6 is a bit weird because Mexico City normally is 5-5. But ultimately is decision from the ACD team. What do you think, Mercedes or Jessica and Alexandro? What region in Mexico you feel comfortable to acquire a number?
I mean, I would say just to get started, grab whatever, but is there a reason why there's no like Yucatan area code?
We are not using, so this is like an external party as well.
Okay.
So I wouldn't know. I can double check with them.
No, but by the way, Nicola, my experience working like with the other platforms, like for example HubSpot or any other tool, normally they offer phone numbers only in Mexico, in the region of Mexico City or Guadalajara or Monterrey. I never have seen phone numbers like from Yucatan or Quintana Roo or other regions in Mexico. Like these main 4 regions in Mexico, to be honest.
Right. Okay.
For me, I would say just grab whatever phone is ready so we can get started.
Right. I agree. Okay. So is that clear, Alessandro? That you can just grab whatever a number, and that we can in that way we can get started. All right. Perfect. So then the next step would be, which is something that we can already do. So whoever has access to Meta Business for the profile that we want to run ads from.
I have access to the Meta Business if you want help on set up anything.
Exactly, yeah. So what we would need is to set that up in Gene. So Felipe, if you can share your screen and take the steps, or do you already know it? That you don't have to share your screen. We've done this before, of course.
Yeah, I'm not sure I have access to ACD in Gene. Can you just double check if I have access to that account?
I'm going to share my screen, so Felipe. Puedo compartir mi pantalla si quieres, Felipe. Creo que tengo todo.
Okay, good. Okay, go ahead.
All right, nice. So if you can open Gene. So this is Meta Business. If you can open Gene. Great. And now if you click on WhatsApp. Perfect. And then set up as a new number. Great. Yes.
No. Let me 1 minute. I need to enter to the Gene app in the other browser. Gene.
All right. So let me see. While Alessandro is setting that up, Felipe, who from your side is going to do the DNS settings?
No, I don't have access to their domain. Elisandro, tú tienes acceso al dominio, ¿verdad? Sono Living. O nosotros
Sí.
tenemos, no estoy seguro.
Sí,
Nosotros
tengo.
no tenemos.
Nada más estoy entrando a Genie en otro browser porque está en mi cuenta. So, permítame un segundito.
Ok, Elisandro, vamos a necesitar agregar algunos DNS al dominio.
Ok. Okay.
And then can someone maybe share their website? I wasn't able to find it. Is it?
Bien, código.
Felipe, could you send the website?
Yeah.
Nice.
Here in the chat.
Listo. Listo, vamos Genie App.
All right, cool. Looks great.
You like it?
Yep. Private luxury residence. Nice. Okay. So while Alessandro is doing this, okay, good. Yeah. So it's loading, right? Or yeah, good. It becomes visible right now. But Felipe, you guys, so you don't manage the domain, but you manage the website, right? So you determine where the lead information goes.
Exactly, we manage the website, but we do not have access directly to manage their domain. So
Right.
yeah, we need help on the DNS side.
Right. I will just share it in Slack. And then for the form on the website itself, do you want to use a Gene form or do you want to keep what you currently have?
No. And also, please confirm, Mercedes and Elisandro, starting now, we are going to drive the leads directly to Gene, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, Nicolas, we are going to change the queuing forms, instant meta or the form on the website directly from Gene. So we need to generate a form here.
Nice. Okay, great. Okay, that's good to know.
Just a quick request to my team. Anna, can you generate a task for Luis to generate this new form directly in Gene to embed in the new website? Not the new website, in the current website of Suno Living, please. Gracias.
Perfect. WhatsApp setup. Yeah. Calendar. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Then something while Alessandro is doing this. So this is something also I think for Mercedes, which is nice to understand. So of course
Yeah.
we have the AI agent, right, who will reply to all incoming messages. But if we're gonna run a meta campaign or any other campaign, we will capture some information from a lead form, and then we want to welcome the lead. And we have created some templates, but of course it is very important that these messages are on brand, meaning that that they really match your project, right? So after the call on Slack, I will share the template, and it would be nice if you guys can share with us then, okay, this is the messaging style that we are after in terms of these messages, so the actual messages itself. What's important to note is that these will only be sent to leads who didn't reply, right? So this is the, it's not that you have to change the tone of the AI agent, but this is just sending out messages to leads who have filled in the lead form and trying to get them to reply. Once they have replied, your AI agent will take over.
Okay, great.
Nice. So I will share that over so my team can implement it.
Thank you.
All good. Let me see. And then other than the website, do you guys already have brochures, company profiles, other documents that I can feed to the AI?
Yes.
Definitely.
Nice. Sorry, Felipe?
No. Just saying, definitely we have everything: brochures, fact sheets, renders, technical information. We have a lot of materials that we can add to Gene to feed
Nice.
the
Great. Okay. Super good. You guys are also already in Slack, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Amazing. Super good. Okay, so that is that part.
Do you want all the information sent in Slack?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, and then so next to the welcome flow, we also already have a follow-up flow. That is a template that we will use. We use that for all clients. You can change it later, but this is something that I will send over to Slack so you can review it. And there's a guide if you want to change it, but we have already translated in 8 different languages, and it's quite generic, so it works well. But yeah, you know then that you can expect that on Slack as well. And then company logos, project images. Felipe, could you share those on Slack as well?
Yeah. We can share both logos from the development company and the brand identity of the projects. Okay, we are going to share brand assets and the sales materials. Lizzie or Anna, do we have a sales folder, like including everything?
Yes, I think we do.
I think we do. Let me just check the drive. We should have a sales folder.
Okay, if you have a sales folder, it'll be easier. If not, let's share technical information, fruit plans, renders, fact sheets, brochure, ACD websites, pseudo living websites. And this is a question for Elisandro and Mercedes. Do we need to share Elite Alliance information to feed the AI regarding exchange program and things like that?
I think so. Yes.
Okay, so yeah, let's share the Elite Alliance intro back, or I don't know what kind of PDF.
I think they have one like a little brochure as well. We can attach it. If you guys don't have it, I could share it as well.
Good.
Perfect.
Yeah, important because the exchange program is a good value added. So yeah, it's
Nice.
important. Yeah, okay.
Nice. Yeah, just give us everything that you have, and we'll structure it nicely for the AI to share it. All right. Good. Then I think that the main thing is WhatsApp, right? So Alessandro, how is that going? Is that going, or is it not? You're on mute. Still mute.
Sorry, I was in mute. Oye, Felipe, este número de Zuno que está activo, ¿tienen el control de este número de casualidad? Mira, es que hay uno.
I don't. Perdón, no entendí, perdón.
Es que dice, mira, por ejemplo, no carga. Por ejemplo. Igual no sé si es por la llamada, ¿no? Pero es charging. Marca error.
Lesson body fail. This was red on body.
No,
This error is familiar to you, Nicholas?
Waba is already onboarded in a different location. Can we go to Meta Business Suite? Could you share your screen, please?
I will share it. And se cambió.
Nice. Okay, and then the account that you just added.
This one.
And then WhatsApp. So this is ads.
Okay.
Is it this one that you tried to add?
Yes.
Okay, can you remove it from here? And so this number, did you already purchase it?
En teoría. Felipe, ustedes tienen este número, ¿verdad?
I can see it.
Si no, agregamos este.
Can you go, because it says that it's already connected? If you click on Suno Living.
Okay.
But because we're going to use a different number now, we're going to use like a number from Mexico for the WhatsApp account.
Yes, this phone number is the phone number from HubSpot.
Yeah.
This number is from HubSpot.
Yeah, we cannot migrate from other platform. I mean,
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Mm,
Alessandra, if you can share your screen, I can just walk you through the steps. We can just create a new WhatsApp account. If you can go to Gene.
okay. ¿A dónde? No te escuché. Where?
Can you go to no worries. Can you go to Gene? Now you're on Meta Business, so go to Gene. Can you hear me well, Alessandra, or?
Sí, solo. I think I have bad internet.
Felipe, can you do it? Do you have access to the Meta Business account as well of ACD?
yeah, I have, but I'm just confirming that I don't have access to ACD account in Gene. I think this is the main issue.
Okay. I'll do it right away. And then because we're gonna acquire a Mexican number, right? So not an American one.
Yeah, but they already have the payment methods, right?
Come again?
They already added the payment methods to Gene.
Correct, yes. I've given you access to ACD right now. So ACD, is that like the umbrella company or?
Yeah, it's a development company. How are you naming right now? As a Suno Living or ACD? Because
I think the ACD.
I think we should, yeah, I think we should name the Gene account as ACD because probably in the future they are going to add other projects.
Nice. Okay, good. All right, Felipe, I've given you access to their account. Could you kindly check if you have received it?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, I mean.
Perfect. If Alessandro, if you can stop sharing, then Felipe can start.
Sure.
If you can go to settings. Top, yeah, correct. Top left, and then WhatsApp. Yes. And then set up as a new number. And then if you can share that part of the screen. Nice. Yep. Nice.
So you recall that I booked the 2 rooms. I live in yes, they are same.
And then here, let's pick a new one. Create that new. Yeah, exactly. And then the account name. Can we, name it how we want to name it? Okay, that's correct. Okay, great. Okay, continue. Perfect. Nice. Okay, so that is the first step. And then the next step is if we're going to purchase a Mexican number, you can enter it in the next screen. And then you just need to do like an OTP verification code on SMS. And that's it.
Okay, nice. So let me duplicate this one.
Okay, great. Yeah, honestly, Sorry, come again.
Okay, should we acquire the phone number now?
You can, but you have to add the regulatory bundles first. Meaning you would have to upload like company documents. So it will be easier if you click on add number and then choose the number that you want, and then you can just follow the steps on which parts, like what address and what other documents you would need in order to acquire one.
Yeah, sure.
Cool. Great. Okay, yeah, honestly, I think that is it in terms of what we needed to cover today. So I will share on Slack everything that I would need from you guys, as well as the DNS configuration. If you can then give us all the company documents, we can start training the AI agent. And then once that is done, I will share on Slack as well how we can test the AI agent. Then we'll gather your feedback, and then we can go live. So these are the next steps. Anything from your side that is unclear, or are we good to go? And can we start training the AI once you guys have shared the documents? I think that silence means that all is good. So that's great.
100% men.
Perfect. Sorry, what did you
Tough
see,
crowd,
Mercedes?
Nicola, tough crowd.
Sorry, no. One of my colleagues just came in the office and told me she closed the deal, and we were like behind the scenes doing like deal dances. So
Good.
sorry.
Happy to hear. No worries.
No,
No
but I think
worries.
we're good. So we're just waiting
Okay.
to set up that. Sorry, just to kind of revert back. We're just waiting to set up that WhatsApp number, and then we're going to. Okay. How about
And
the
then-
US or Canada number? We should have the other number, or
No, you can do whatever. You can do US, Mexican. That doesn't really matter. It just what I would do is I would purchase a number that fits best with the brand.
okay.
So whether that's US or Mexican is entirely up to you.
Okay.
Great. In the
sounds
meantime, we don't have to wait for the WhatsApp number to be connected. If you guys can share the company assets, we can already start setting up the AI.
Perfect.
Amazing. All
We'll get
right.
right to that.
Have a good rest of the day, and we'll keep in touch on Slack for sure. And if we need another call, we can schedule another call, of course.
Okay.
All
Sounds
right,
good.
guys. It was good checking in.
Thanks, everyone.
See you.
Thank you.
Bye.
No.